I started wrestling when I was 7 years old and did that all the way through high school. When I came back to Dahlgren, it gave me the opportunity to go coach at Lethality High School as an assistant wrestling coach. And that really gives me the opportunity to be involved with young people's lives, just encouraging them day to day, giving them a purpose, and then developing them so that once they're out of high school, they understand what it takes to succeed as an adult. My name is Jake Schilling. I am the Laser Weapon System Technology and Lethality branch head in the Integrated Engagement Systems department. I am originally from La Plata, Maryland. Went to La Plata High School and then went to University of Maryland and received a bachelor's degree in mechanical engineering and received a master's degree from George Washington University in engineering management. I worked for NSWC Carter Rock for 5 years. I actually was helping coach a wrestling team in DC. I met a department head from Carter Rock while I was there and interned at Carter Rock and then became a full-time employee. While there, I was fortunate enough to meet my wife, so we decided to look for transfer opportunities. We looked at Aberdeen Proving Grounds and both Dahlgren and Indian Head to try to stay within the Navy community. And we were lucky enough that we both got offers from Dahlgren. The Navy has both underwater warfare centers and surface warfare centers. And once you're a federal employee, transferring between agencies becomes a lot easier since you're already in the system. It's great to have flexibility and being able to move between different agencies and warfare centers, especially as it allows you to be close to family as you're going through different life events. In between internship at Carter Rock and starting full-time, in 2012, there was a hiring freeze in the Navy. So I actually went and worked in the private sector for 3 years and then got an opportunity to come back to the Navy. It showed me the private sector and showed me different areas that I could go work, but the same purpose of supporting something bigger than yourself wasn't there in the private sector for me. Having service at the center of the job was important. I've worked at Dahlgren for the past 3 years since July of 2020. And I've been in the branch head role since the end of March, so just over coming up on 5 months. Branch head is something that I've been working towards for a number of years. For me as a leader, from a branch head perspective, it's really listening to people. What intrigued me most about working for the Navy is the support of the warfighter. How do we get the right tools into the hands of the sailors? If we don't have the right tools for the sailors, they can't do their jobs properly in the field, and they're really putting their lives on the line. I didn't serve, but the best way I can help serve them is by providing the proper tools and technology. The people in the culture at Dahlgren is the fast-paced culture. All the people that I work with really are motivated to provide quality products. Dahlgren certainly wants people working in teams and look at it as a team aspect. Most of our projects are large, where one person can't do it all. Everybody has different skill sets, and we really need those skill sets to come together in harmony so that they transition and each person adds that puzzle piece or that extra pizzazz to the project so that it's the highest quality it can be. The next steps in my career are really becoming a better branch head, learning all the aspects of that as a role, growing within that, and then in the next 6 months or so, I'll start to reevaluate of what the next career goal is. My experience at Dahlgren has been fulfilling, purposeful, and enjoying.